It's so boring today. We should go to the park. Yeah, let's go to the park. Let's go. We're already on the park. We're already in the park. Oh yeah, we are. So let's get up there. I'm gonna go. Oh, hi there. Hi there. Would you mind joining Cat Villains? Of course. Why not? We do stealing snacks. I know you like that. And running away from a snake, and we have a pet snake. Okay, well, I'm coming back. I'm home with you. Let's go. Let's go to the hammock. Okay. I'm here. I'm going to the hammock. What? Push the button. Wee. It's so much fun. Wee. Yeah. Now what? Let's go peek inside. Here. Hi. I'm coming. Oh, there's a little pocket. Oh, I didn't see that. Maybe I don't know we see things. Yeah. Okay. Well then, let's go home and steal some snacks. Let's. We're home. Yep. We're home. It's gonna be fun today. Hey, the first thing we should do is what? Steal snacks, of course. I don't think that's a good idea first. First, she needs to teach. We need to teach her. Teach her? But how? Find out in the next video. Bye-bye.